In this guide, I'm going to walk you through how you can play BloxStrike. This is going to be a full gameplay walkthrough. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now first, when you get loaded in, it's going to look something like this. Hit play and then choose your group. I'm going to go ahead and just join the counter-terrorist right now because they got less people, and by default it's essentially going to put you as spectating if the game was already going on, or it'll go ahead and just immediately put you in the game. But once you're in, you spawn with a weapon, you use your mouse to aim and left click to shoot, and then of course you can press shift to walk slowly so your enemies don't hear your footsteps. You can use crouch to stay more accurate and harder to hit as well. And if your weapon is a silencer, you could turn it off depending on how exactly you would like to go ahead and play. Just make sure that you are focusing on being stealthy, aiming, positioning, and listening for enemies overall. If you go ahead and do that, you will be fine. Just keep playing to improve your aim and movement, and that is the full process. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.